Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, guys.
Today we are talking about something we all love.
And also something we all regret.
Yes, online shopping.
Or online spending.
Be honest, how many times do you shop online every week?
Don't answer that. It might be dangerous.
Hey, it's not shopping, it's therapy.
Therapy that makes your bank account cry.
My bank account is very emotional. The best thing about online shopping is no need to go outside.
Yes, no traffic, no heat, no people.
And no awkward, can I help you?
No thanks, just looking. Then you leave immediately.
Exactly. Online is safe.
But there is one problem.
Only one?
It's too easy to buy things.
That is not a problem.
That is the biggest problem.
One click and boom, you bought it.
No thinking, no stopping.
Especially at night.
Ah, yes, nighttime shopping. Dangerous time.
Nighttime me is rich.
Morning you is confused.
I wake up and see notifications.
Your order has been confirmed.
And I'm like, who did this?
It was you, Anna. Always you.
One time I ordered 5 things at 2 a.m.
5?
Yes, I was bored.
Bored and rich.
Now I'm just bored.
Let's talk about expectation versus reality.
Oh no, don't remind me.
The photo looks amazing.
Like a model wearing it.
Perfect color, perfect size.
Then it arrives.
And suddenly,
It's a different universe.
completely different item.
I ordered a beautiful dress.
And
I looked like a curtain.
that's fashion.
No, that's a disaster.
Did you return it?
No, I wore it at home and cried.
Let's talk about reviews.
Yes. Do you trust them?
Not really.
Same.
5 stars, amazing.
Then next review.
Terrible, don't buy.
So which one is true?
My favorite review is this.
What?
I didn't try it yet, but it looks good, 5 stars.
That is not helpful. Or people write a full story.
Yes, like a novel.
I bought this during my vacation.
My cousin recommended it.
Just tell me if it's good.
Now delivery.
The waiting game.
Day 1, excited.
Day 2, tracking every hour.
Day 3, still not moving.
Day 5, you forget.
And suddenly,
It arrives when you are not home.
every single time.
We missed you.
No, you missed me.
Discounts are also very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
50% off.
You don't need it.
But I want it.
You buy things you don't need.
Especially things I don't need.
That makes no sense.
It makes emotional sense.
So is online shopping good or bad?
Both.
It's fun and easy.
But also dangerous.
The solution is simple.
Think before you click.
Ask yourself, do I need this?
If no, wait 24 hours.
If you still want it, okay, buy it.
If not, congratulations.
You saved money.
All right, guys, that's it for today.
Hope you enjoyed and laughed with us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And tell us.
What is the funniest thing you bought online?
See you next time. Bye.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about